Hi, so this is week 6 ng pagpa-practice and trying to learn saxophone at Midlife. That's why tinawag ko tong channel na to ng Midlife Sax, and documenting this learning to see kung saan ako aabot. And I think I'm going to do this. I love listening to lounge music and saxophone. So nakikita ko yung sarili ko na I will play this until retirement age. So I think maganda tong direction na pinupuntahan ko. Meron na ako na vision na what I'm going to do sa pagtanda. Hindi na rin ako bata, pero hanggang sa yun, retire na rin. So week 6 and last day for this term ng saxophone lesson. So ang balik namin is after Easter na. So kasi so for sa school year, tapos na yung term 1. So balik na naman ng mga students for term 2, but that's going to be after Easter. And I plan to continue it kasi marami rin ako natututunan doon sa lesson so far. Mabilis yung kapag may tanong ako, narasagot ka agad. Like, you can self-study YouTube videos, find the answers from the internet, pero kasi pagka meron kang mentor and instructor, nakikita niya kagad kung ano yung correct. So, kaya I will continue that saxophone lesson as well as practicing. So far, ang pre-practice ko is the 8th note. Doon kasi ako nahihirapan sa timing kapag mabilis na. I think it comes with age na rin. Hindi ko na So mapagsama-sama lahat ng mabilis, no, yung pag-correct ng intonation, pag-shift ng mga fingers, and then yung mas mabilis na beat, yung 8th note nga. So yun, nagpaturo ako, and that's what I'm going to plan to practice for in the succeeding days, yung 8th note. So far, ang progress ko is nakakatugtog na ako ng basic, old, classic, nursery rhyme na alam nating nursery rhyme, gaya ng Jingle Bells, London Bridge, and yung mga hindi natin alam na title na classic, pero yung sinusundan ko, mga classical pala yun. So far, pagka key of C lang, kuha ko na, and then natutunan ko na rin yung key of D, which have the F sharp. I'm not expert in music theory, pero I think key of D yun, and then tinatry ko na rin dagdagan ng key of E, which have another sharp, if na yun, I'm not mistaken, D sharp. So far yun, dinadagdagan ko na yung music theory knowledge ko when it comes to scales and key. So far so good. Continuing lang to the next week update. Bye-bye.